Meaning of four-letter word.
Four-letter word.
Four-letter word.
Four-letter word.
Four-letter word. The term four-letter word is often used to refer to a vulgar or obscene word, usually containing four letters. These words are generally considered to be taboo in polite society and are often censored in mass media. Such words have been deemed offensive and inappropriate for public use due to their derogatory or sexual connotations. The usage of these words can cause offense to people, and can even lead to legal or social consequences. As such, it is important to use language that is respectful and appropriate for different contexts.